If you're experiencing verification issues on Robinhood after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Review your information. Check the personal information you provided during the verification process. Ensure that your name, address, date of birth, and social security number are accurate and match the documents you submitted. Step 2. Update your documents. If your identification documents are outdated or unclear, gather current and clear copies of your ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure the images are well lit and all details are visible. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their website. Explain your situation clearly and provide any necessary details they may request. Step 4. Follow up. After contacting support, keep track of your request. If you don't receive a response within a few days, follow up to ensure your case is being addressed. Step 5. Be patient. Verification processes can take time, especially if there are complications. Allow a reasonable amount of time for Robinhood to review your information and respond to your inquiry. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on Robinhood. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance or exploring alternative platforms.